Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. So guys, Uvuyekazi posted some cute pictures of her and her kids. She also posted this video because they were celebrating Unhlophekazi's 5th birthday party. This looked so cute, guys. It looks like Uvuyekazi went all out for her child because she did put it on a caption that Unhlophekazi asked for a Barbie themed party, and umama said, you know what, say no more mntanami, and listen, Uvuyekazi came through for her child. Listen guys, it looks like Uvuyekazi has really been doing well for herself. She has been quiet on Instagram, but she still posts her vlogs there and there on YouTube. But guys, these past days, she's been posting one hit after one hit, one celebration after one celebration. We've seen her that she's launched a business, 2 businesses. One is a hair business, and the second one, I'm not so sure what they deal with. Guys, we also know which she did go and do some sort of surgery. Girl is looking so good. Girl is looking like she is thriving in life. And you know, when I looked at this video, guys, I'm like, yes, the people will look at this girl and be like, oh, Dana, wishing that they could be her. But my question is, are you willing, or if you would have to go through the stuff she had went through, would you survive? Because sometimes when we look at these people's lives, guys, we thinking, would he listen, they've arrived? Or for the fact that you even at a point, guys, where you can comfortably do things for mntanakho, you've won in life, guys, you've won in life. But anyway, we are going to say happy birthday, Mhlophekazi. Congratulations, Vuyi. Congratulations, Vuyo, Vuyokazi, on the achievements that you have made. Mama, listen, you are an example to single mothers. You are an example to the fellow women here in South Africa that listen. The fact that you can go through umgowo that looks like it's never going to end or looks like you're never going to recover from it, listen, you can. And you will thrive on top of that. Anyway, let's park it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys on the next one.